Hi guys, my name is Alexis Crook. I am a customer success manager here at ProSymmetry. In this video, I am going to be going over view management, which is one of our new features in Tempus that allows you to share views with other users. The first thing that I want to point out is there are different views within project management, resource management, and then our bulk project allocation Flatgrid that you can create these shared views within. I'm first going to show within resource management, our views are over here. So you can see that these top two views, these I have created myself individually, and I am the only person that can see these two views. These bottom three, however, since they have this little blue eyeball icon that says public view, these have been created to be shared with me. And again, in this video, I am going to show how to create these shared views. So let's go into our admin settings and view management. Within here, you have the ability to create a shared view in the BPA Flatgrid screen, project management screen, and resource management screen. Let's create one in project management. Okay. Let's wait to title it until we decide what we're going to show here. Next, you have the ability to add who you want to have permission to see this view. So automatically it selects all resources. However, you can define that in here. We have a few global roles that you can pick. You can also add individual resources. So say I only want, a couple people. You can do that within here. I'm just going to select everyone for now. You have the ability to toggle on and off is default view. So do you want that to be the first view that your resources see when they come into this project management screen? The next three things you can do are select groupings, select filters, and select what columns you want pulled into that specific view. So let's create something pretty basic in our project management screen. Let's add in something like start date. So this is going to be the start date of the project. Let's add in maybe when's the last time it was updated. Let's find, or we can pull in maybe project manager, and then let's also do our end date. Okay. So I want to move my end date up a little bit. There we go. So these are the columns that I am going to see within this view. The next thing maybe we should do is filter. So let's do, maybe just our 2023 projects. So let's come in here and let's do our start date. We want our start date after January 1st. And we want our end date before the end of 2023. Now let's name this. So let's do 2023 projects. Something like that. Now we can save this. And let's go back into our project management screen. Let's go over to our views. And now you can see that we have this appear. If we click on our 2023 projects, looks like we only have one project in 2023. But if you had more, they would all appear here. You can see that those specific columns that I specified have pulled in. You can see that the filters that I chose have also been pulled in. So again, you can create these views within the resource management screen, the project management screen, and the BPA Flatgrid screen. And I believe that is it for view management. Thanks, everyone. Have a good one.